Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a quick way to play jazz themes more freely on the accordion. We'll use How High the Moon and go step by step from playing the written melody to exploring it in new ways and moving toward improvising on the tune. First, we play the melody exactly as it's written in the real book. This is our starting point. It helps you hear clearly what changes we'll make later. Next, we play the same melody, but shifted ahead by an eighth note. The notes and the rhythm stay the same, only the starting point changes. In this exercise, play 4 bars normally and 4 bars shifted by an eighth note, exactly where the phrase starts and ends. Now switch the order. First the shift, then the original version. Here we take the first small step beyond the written melody. Repeat some notes using eighth notes or move a few slightly in time. It's still the tune, but now it sounds more natural and flexible. Finally, we combine everything. I play the melody more freely, using the ideas from the previous exercises and adding a few simple improvised notes inside the line. We're not leaving the tune, we're just shaping it in a more personal way. That's it for today. All examples are written down in the free PDF, link below. In my opinion, practicing standard melodies with small changes is a great exercise and a perfect first step towards improvisation. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy your practice, and let me know in the comments how it goes.